What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians. Every time I check, Kaspa price, good price. Every time I check, Kaspa price, good price. Caspians, I hope you guys are doing amazing. We running it back turbo with the Kaspa videos, guys. Don't have much time today to record, you know, but I gotta upload these videos, man. You know, gotta get these out, keep you guys updated, keep you guys aware, be consistent with the YouTube hustle, right? I know we are all out here doing our best to make life-changing gains together, and you know, sometimes it gets really tough, right? And sometimes you feel like giving up, but don't give up, man. Don't give up, Caspians. We're gonna crush it, man. If you got yourself a bag of Kaspa, even if you just got 10,000 Kaspa, you know, that could be a potential start. You know, that could be a potential start to you know, keep reinvesting in the future, because the crypto markets aren't going anywhere. People say this could be the last bull cycle, but that doesn't matter, because the crypto markets aren't going anywhere. They will go up forever, just like the S&P 500 has been going up for the past, what, 50 years? How long has the S&P 500 existed? Let's take a look, man. Let's take a look. Max for the S&P 500. Look at this. Right? This is since the 80s, right? This has been since the 80s. You see how the S&P 500 since the 80s has been just going up as the years go by. Treat that with your investing, man. Treat that with, you know, investing. Treat that with the crypto space, because we're just gonna keep going up. Bear markets, red days, you know, bad market conditions, that doesn't matter. Long term, think long term, right? And that's how, you know, you think with great altcoins like Kaspa. You think long term, right? That's how you make those crazy gains, right? You got to be able to hold throughout those years. You got to be that you got to have that Warren Buffett mentality, where you're, you know, Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire like you know, in his first 10 years of investing. But if you're aiming for those type of, you know, those type of levels, those type of life-changing gains, where you're, for me, I'm aiming for billions, right? I'm aiming to become a billionaire. Millionaires are outdated, right? They got people online, you know, doing barely anything and becoming millionaires now, right? They're not working that hard, you know. They got OnlyFans, right? They acting like AI bots, and then, you know, making millions, right? No disrespect to the hustle, but I'm just saying, millionaires to me, that's the thing of the past. We aiming for billions, right? So we gonna have that long-term mentality when it comes to projects like Kaspa, Caspians. We're gonna take over the space. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and no, nothing I say is financial advice, okay? Know that, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in crypto comes with risk. But when you find great projects, you don't miss the opportunities, right? You don't miss the opportunities to get into great projects. And then you take the wins along the way, and you just keep building your portfolio every year. 10 years later, 20 years later, you keep building your portfolio, man. Kaspa at $772 million in market cap, $36.58 million in 24-hour trade volume. Them tier 1 exchange listings are gonna happen so fast. I'm telling you guys, this volume just keeps going up. Coinbase, Binance, we're gonna take a look at all the exchanges that haven't listed Kaspas yet. And volume like this can't be ignored, man. Just under that 4-cent mark, 10 to 14 cent Kaspa is happening this year. So yeah, that's a few X's if you're getting into the project now. If you're already holding, you're sitting nice. Real hustler Congrats to all CAS holders for an amazing run to the upside and testing all-time high. I simply love when TA works like this. Cup and handle played out perfectly on the daily for CAS. Right now I expect a small pullback to test reclaim support levels 0.35 to 0.38 before we continue upwards. Okay, he expects a little retrace back down to 35 cent, 38 cent. Okay, but yeah, nice cup and handle that was formed for CAS, and then boom, you know, the TA played out, right? Classic cup and handle pattern played out. Awesome stuff. This is right here what I was talking about from King. Look at all the exchanges that I haven't listed Kaspa yet. Binance hasn't yet. Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit, Bitfinex. There's a ton of exchanges, especially Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, you know, that haven't listed Kaspa as yet, guys. Right? It's gonna be insane once those listings happen. I'm telling you, like, they can't fade Kaspa. They really can't. They're gonna be buying their bag and listing the project before you know it, guys. And that's when you're gonna see, you know, the crazy market caps start to happen. 20 cents, 30 cents, $1. Just be patient, man. Lex24, CAS possible parabolic territory. 0.062 is the target after the higher low. Okay, in the 618 fib. Remember, we are in bear market. Imagine the smell in the bull market. Solves blockchain trilemma. You could ask Vitalik and Charles Hoskinson what contribution their founders did. That's what I'm saying. When people do their research, there's videos literally of Vitalik and Charles Hoskinson. Y'all know Vitalik is the ETH founder. Y'all know Charles Hoskinson is the ADA founder, right? There's literally videos that I've shown on my channel where they're talking about the ghost DAG technology and how and citing Jonathan Sampelinski, who is the founder of CAS, who's not holding like any large amount of tokens, by the way, or I don't know how much he's holding, but like he made it fear for everyone to get a nice bag, right? So he's not like the guy with like a foundation like Ethereum where they could just dump a whole crap ton of ETH on us. Right? It's not the same here with CAS, man, where Vitalik and his foundation could just dump a crap ton of ETH on our heads. It's not the same. Everybody that's in CAS or got a bag of CAS it's fear, like super decentralized, and I love that. But yeah, there's literal videos of Charles and Vitalik using Jonathan's you know, documents of like his technology, right? 5-day crypto, not familiar with CAS, but hard to argue anything bearish here. Absolutely stellar weekly chart, good looking out. Somebody told 5-day crypto about CAS and he's like, whoa. Yep, meta flight. Simple piece of advice: acquire 50,000 CAS. You don't even gotta thank me later. Telling you, man, that 10k to 50k bag, because it's expensive for the 100k now. That's 4 racks for 100k, $4,000 for 100k now, so that's kind of expensive, right? But if you could get that 10k to 50k bag, that'd be nice gains in the future, man. CryptoZod, road to $1. Send it. Omish CAS, pump it CAS. We will see 10 cents next month. If you don't buy CAS till now and you're waiting for the dip, you probably will not see the dip because we're in a dip. Best strategy, start DCA from this level. Not financial advice, do your own research. He got a little video right here. I don't know if he got audio in it, but I play without the audio, but you can see the nice bullish price action for CAS, man. Give me an altcoin that's performing like Kaspa. Point it out to me. The only project I saw in the space that was, you know, making runs like CAS was a meme coin, which is Pepe, and that was it. Give me an altcoin that's going crazy like Kaspa, man. Just point it to me, man. Let me see it. Where is it at? Point it out to me, guys. But yeah, Caspians, thank y'all so much for the continued support. You guys are the best. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything CAS and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, man. Blow up the CAS for videos. Make them go viral. I want to see BitBoy talking about CAS. I want to be selling on BitBoy's head. I want to sell on BitBoy crypto. Shout out to him, right? No disrespect, but I want to be selling on him, on his head at $1, man. So blow up the videos. Make them go viral, man. Spread the awareness of CAS. As soon as people open up YouTube As soon as people open up YouTube, that's the first thing they see. They see Kaspa, man. You know, I want these top YouTubers to be my exit liquidity, man. Right? That's how we supposed to be, because they only shill us after they got in early, man. So Caspians, let's make these top influencers our exit liquidity, okay? That's the goal. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, blow the video up, man. I can't thank y'all enough. I really gotta stress that. I'll catch y'all in the next one.